So let us try to solve this question. Find in ascending powers of x the first three terms of 2 minus x to the power of 7. Alright, so if you recall, the first term would be nc0 for a plus b to the power n. Your first term will be nc0a to the power of n b to the power of 0, and then your next term you utilize nc2. All you have to do is punch the calculators. Just press the numbers in the calculators. You'll be able to get nc2 and nc0. Apologies, the very second term you use nc1, a to the power of n minus 1 b to the power of 1, and the next term will be nc2, which is the third term, a to the power of n minus 2b to the power of 2. Just to check, the powers must always add up to n. Indeed, the powers must always add up to n. N minus 2 plus 2 will give you n. So this is just a side note. Alright, so let us attempt to expand 2 minus x to the power of 7. So n is 7, c0. Your first term is 2, so 2 to the power of 7 minus x to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is just 1. Plus 7c1. 2 to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 1. Plus 7c2, 2 to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 2. Can you see the powers always add up to 7? 5 and 2, 7, 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 0, 7, right? And if you press your calculator, 7c0 is just 1, and then you get 2 to the power of 7 here. 7c1 is 7, so let's write that down. And then you get 2 to the power of 6 here. And minus x to the power of 1 is just minus x still, so this is still minus x. Now 7c2, everyone press your calculator, you get 21. And then 2 to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 2 is x squared. Let us simplify this. 2 to the power of 7, let's try, press your calculator. 2 to the power of 7 is equals to 128. So this first term is 128. So since this is a minus x, since this is a minus here, so down here I'll put minus in front. 2 to the power of 6 times 7 will give you 448. So you have 448x in this term, and then you take 21. Apologies, I should have written an x here, because there's an x here, and then you take 21 times 2 to the power of 5. You get 672x squared. So your eventual answer is 128 minus 448x plus 672x squared.